Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you. This time, you guessed it, I got another unboxing, and if you guys know what type of packaging this is from, yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. Alright, so here is the packaging again, and let me get my blade out. So here is a hint to what's inside. I have recently picked up a couple others of this item in different colors, of course, and I have just gotten the bug for this particular item. So, open it up. Here is the receipt, and here is the box, and here is the box. Let me take it out. Come out. This is exciting because I've been waiting for this particular color, or I've been looking for this particular item in this particular color. So I was excited when I saw it appear on the website. So here we go. Okay, so you guys know it is from Hermes. Hermes, sorry. Alright, so here is the inside of the box. Let me unwrap it with you guys. It is a Bastia coin case in the color, so this is the color Orange Poppy. And that's so beautiful. And it is in the same leather as my, I have things falling all over the place, as my blue one, which is in the Mysore. I think that's how you pronounce it. But I really love this leather because you could just tell it is so thick and luxurious. Or at least I think it's in the Mysore leather. I could be wrong because it does feel a little bit different. This feels a little bit more stiff. This feels a little bit more soft. But they look very similar to each other. And while I brought this one out, here is my other one that I have, which is in the black. So this is my collection of them. I have a black one. This is in the Epsom leather. And these two, I believe they are in the Mysore, which is a goat skin. Now, I recently got a comment on one of my videos when I unboxed this one, saying why don't I just you know, save my money to get something more useful from Hermes. And I'm presuming that person is saying why don't I save my money to get a bag or something. But these things are so useful. It's like, what can't you use them for? So I brought out a few things that I could see myself using them for. And of course, you use it for coins, which I primarily use them for. So I currently have my blue one filled with coins, but let me show you what other things you could fit in here. So here's my black one. So the cool thing about the size of these is that they fit, and here is a couple dollars. You could just fold it in half and they fit perfectly in there, so you could just carry this around as your wallet if you want to, you know, carry cash or coins. Now it's a little bit too square, not long enough to carry cards or credit cards or your ID, but that is why they have this piece, which is called the Calvi, and it is basically the same concept as the Bastia, but this is of course for cards. You can use it for coins if you want to, but I choose to use the smaller ones for that purpose. Okay, what else do I have here? So I have, you can put jewelry in these things whenever you're traveling. So here is a Chanel brooch. Now I'd probably, you know, wrap the brooch in some tissue paper or something else before putting it in here, but it basically, you know, acts as a very nice travel case for your jewelry. So that's a brooch that I have. Here is also a bracelet from Louis Vuitton, and this is just, so I'm not a big jewelry person, and so this is just one of the bracelets that I have, and I don't have very many, but I could show you that it fits very nicely in here, and it'll close just fine, and you can see it's still a very slim it's a very slim profile. Alright, what else do I have here? So I have, you could also use it for memory cards if you know, are traveling or just keeping it in your bag. You could use it for media, so of course that'll fit in there. You could fit a ton of memory cards in there. And another use that I've seen people use it for are for headphones. And now I don't use corded headphones at the moment. I had to dig these out because I am using AirPods at the moment, and I love them to bits, and I already have a spare AirPod in case I lose or break the ones that I have. But I just wanted to show you, so corded headphones will go inside just fine. You can see that they are in there, and it'll close just nicely. Let me take that out. What else could I fit in here? You could fit your phone charger. So let me just show you. Of course it'll fit. But for that person that said that this piece is not useful, here, you could use it for your charging cables. And it'll just help you keep organized with all your stuff and not have tangled cords or anything like that inside your bags. So another useful thing for you. Here I have lens cleaning wipes. You could also put what do you call them, hand sanitizing wipes, or you know, those Buffalo Wild Wing wet naps that I have in my other bags. You could put them in here perfectly just like that. And what else do I have on this table? So I normally keep my mints in this case right here, which is the Louboutin Key Clay. You can see I keep some mints in there, but for the case of this video, look, I could put mints in there as well. And I am sure there are a lot of other uses, useful uses for this piece. So leave your comment down below what you use your Bastia coin cases for, because I'd be interested in knowing, and let's prove that person wrong, that these aren't useless, or that these aren't useless. They actually do serve multiple purposes. And at the moment I think I am complete with my colors. Well, maybe if I see a nice red color, that would probably be on my list. Maybe a nice bright emerald green, that would be another one that I'd like to look for. So the nice thing with these also is that they're not that expensive when it comes to Hermes. So originally I used to keep my stuff in a Burberry coin case, and I did that because I didn't want to ruin my wallets my Louis Vuitton or my Chanel wallets with coins or coin residue, because those wallets are over $6, $7, almost sometimes they're even over $1,000, and I didn't want to ruin those wallets with coins, and so I would use that Burberry coin case. Now that Burberry coin case was, I know it was over $100. This one in particular, so this is the Louis Vuitton Key Clay again. I think this retails now for $200, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong down below in the comments, but these guys they range in price between $225 and $235. The Epsom leather costs $225, and the Mysore leather, which I guess it's a more rare leather maybe. I don't know why it's more expensive, but these are $235. So yeah, for an Hermes item, these are definitely awesome buy. So that's all I really wanted to say with this video. Hope you liked it, and yeah, stay tuned to see if I ever get more of these Bastia coin cases, because I am officially addicted. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos, and until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Bye.